Howdy-ho, Andrew here. Welcome to the Onion Buns and welcome to another episode of Happy Day. So, what do we got for you today? To quote Cody Rhodes in WWE, what do you want to talk about? Well, I want to talk about pandas. I love me some pandas. So, without further ado, let's get to the pandas.
They're just sitting like people.
Oh, look at him leaning. He went down.
He's okay.
He's already eating again. What a champ.
They're just sitting like people.
Oh, look at him leaning. He went down.
He's okay.
He's already eating again. What a champ.
I don't know what it is about pandas and somersaults, but it never gets old. It never gets old. I could watch it all day. So, to not be outdone, let's do another panda doing somersaults. I really don't get why they're so enamored with somersaults. Is there a more goofy animal than a panda? I really don't think there is. Like, a lot of animals have quirks, but I don't know. I think the pandas might be the goofiest animals out there. Not that I'm complaining. All right, this one's great. Dogs find amazing ways to keep themselves entertained. And that's what this is. He's just checking the snow to make sure it's packed enough for the skiers. Just a safety check. That's all it was. No reason to look any more into it. So here's a heartwarming story, and this is how all humans should treat animals, in my opinion.
This cat stole sausages from the same store every single day, but the security camera caught something incredible. The store owner watched the footage, and instead of getting angry, something beautiful. He started putting out different types of sausages just so she could pick her favorite every day. But wait, it gets even better. One morning, the cat came in limping badly. Her paw was hurt and she could barely walk. The owner immediately scooped her up and rushed her to the vet. Treating her injured paw, something amazing happened. The owner didn't just let her go. He adopted her right there. Now she lives in the store permanently, has her own bed behind the counter, and gets free sausages every single day.
I truly wish that was the story for all strays. I got my stray Faf here, and I couldn't imagine life without him. And, you know, you can take a look at the different videos I've made on him. I'll link them in the description of the video and you can go watch them. But yeah, it's like he came to me just over a year ago and he's part of the family now, you know, and when a cat picks you, and cat distribution system has picked you, and you should just welcome him in. All right. Speaking of cute, well, this one, you just got to see it for yourself. The kitten just wanted some cuddle time with the puppies and the dog. And what's wrong with that? All right, and for the final video of this episode, from the John Ball Zoo, we got some youngsters doing what youngsters do. Alrighty, and yeah, that's the end of the happy day for this week. If you like this video, leave a like, a subscribe, and a share. I'm trying to grow my channel, and a like, a subscribe, and a share does me wonders, and I do appreciate it. Takes 1 second to subscribe, costs you absolutely nothing, helps me immensely. Just hit the subscribe button on the bottom of the screen. Always feel free to leave a comment. I encourage everybody to leave a comment. Not only does it get us interacting, but it really does help me with the YouTube algorithm and getting more eyes on my videos. And as always, pew 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 and shit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.